Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by placing your cursor where you need the freeze to begin. Click a cell at the top left of the area to remain adjustable. Once done, identify whether you need the header row only or multiple rows and columns frozen together, because that choice changes the command you use. Make sure the table is formatted as a range or table object so Excel recognizes header rows. This ensures consistent behavior when scrolling, sorting, or filtering later. Now move to the View tab to access Freeze pane. You click the View tab and open Freeze panes. This menu controls how Excel locks visible rows and columns. If you need only the top header locked, choose Freeze Top Row. For the leftmost column, choose Freeze First Column. For a custom area, select the cell below and right of where you want the freeze, then choose Freeze panes. Excel will lock everything above and left. Once applied, you should see a bold dividing line. That line is your visual confirmation the freeze is active. To finish, verify scrolling keeps headers or columns in view. If it doesn't, first use Unfreeze panes and reapply the correct option from the View tab. If Excel refuses to freeze, check for merged cells or existing split panes because those prevent freeze panes from working properly. Unmerge or remove splits, then try again. Also confirm whether your data is an official table object. Convert to range if needed. If problems persist, restart Excel to clear UI state and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.